Hello, and welcome to Real Wild Adventures with your host, me, Jesse. Today, I was filming my first video, and when I heard some turkey calls and went out to see what the business was. Now, if you guys have any suggestions or any ideas for future videos or um, national parks I should go and visit and review, just let me know in the comments. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Hi YouTube, today we're chilling at the house and we're seeing some turkeys. Turk, 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 turk. Oh, there's a squirrel. Hey you guys. We have a big wild turkey herd. Just something you see down in Colorado. I really hope the lighting's good out here. What do you think, puppy? What you think? No. What is that? Hi, puppy. Hi. Thank you all for watching my very first video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, even if it is my first one. If you guys, like I said, have any suggestions, hit me up. Thanks for watching Real Wild Adventures with Jesse.